Spotted strange JPG 16UX20 files on your camera or phone storage and curious what they are? These are tiny preview thumbnails generated by your device. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what to do with these device thumbnail cache images. Quick sidebar. For future protection, I urge you to look into a quality universal file opener. This type of program is crucial for recovering JPG 16UX20 files with corrupted internal metadata. This file is a low-resolution thumbnail image, typically auto-generated by a digital camera, older mobile phone, or software to create a fast-loading preview. Users encounter these files when browsing device storage directly, often wondering why they are separate from the main high-quality photo. Despite the JPG extension, this file may have a custom header or be part of a larger thumbnail database. The 160/20 suffix explicitly defines its resolution, a design choice for performance, allowing a gallery application to quickly display a grid of previews without loading the full resolution source images. When viewing the file metadata, the JPG CCX120 shows a direct link to Windows Photos from Microsoft Corporation. The operating system provides little information on the file's internal components. Windows may identify the file, but reading the metadata mappings needs supported indexing software. We are checking the software landscape. Right-click your JPG sus116UX120 file and select Open With. If Windows Photos is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We need to check every possibility. If the JPG was 116UX120 file is still refusing to open, it's expected. It's typically one of three basic reasons. Here's a simple breakdown of the common culprits and how to check them. First, renaming to JPG extension. The simplest approach is to rename the file changing JPG 160x120 to just .jpg. The underlying data is standard JPEG, so any image viewer will then open it normally. Use Windows File Explorer or batch rename tools to process multiple thumbnail files at once for easier handling. Next, opening with image viewers. Many image viewers, including EarphoneView, XNView, and Faststone Image Viewer, can open files regardless of extension by detecting the JPEG header. Use File, then Open in your image viewer, and change the file type filter to All Files. The viewer reads the JPEG data and displays the thumbnail image. Finally, deleting unneeded thumbnails. If the thumbnails are taking up storage space and you have the original full-resolution photos, you can safely delete JPG 160x20 files. The device will regenerate thumbnails as needed when browsing the gallery. This frees up storage without losing any actual photos from your camera or phone. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.